What's up, YouTube? I got 4 boxes of Pacific Titanium in. I'm going to break them. I'll have them up on my eBay page, Steel City Sports King, hopefully by the end of the night. I also cracked 4 boxes of the rookie anthologies, and apparently my camera didn't feel like working during that video, so I will be really showing you the bigger hits that I got out of them. So here's the first box of titanium. Actually, I like this stuff. This is opened up a bunch of boxes of these. First hit is the Game Gear J. Bowmeister. Sorry. Next hit is a hat tricks numbered 16 of 199. Detroit Red Wings, Brendan Shanahan, Jimmy Hart, and Pavel Datsyuk. Pretty nice. Next hit is the New Wave autograph Justin Falk. Home Sweaters game used autograph numbered 94 of 100. David Runbald. And last pack of this box is a Game Gear James Neal. That was a Penguins pack. There was 3 game used jersey and 3 cards. Next box is number 21 of 25 draft day autographs, Magnus Paajarvi. Number 28 of 50 Game Gear Auto, James Neal. Next hit is a Game Gear of Jordan Eberle. We have a parallel Ryan Miller numbered to 99 Ruby parallel. And New Wave Dale Weiss. Redemption. It is rookie dual signatures, Matt Reed and Zach Ronaldo. Don't know if you can see that. Alright. Box 3. Hopefully this video works. I'm not just putting all this stuff up. If you're interested, tomorrow I'll be breaking at least probably 3 boxes of Topps Inception. That just comes out tomorrow, so just if you're interested, check it out. Everything that all packs and boxes and cases that I crack and everything, I put up on my eBay page, which is Steel City Sports King. Alright, we have a New Wave Auto, Carl Gunnarsson. Probably should have said that right. Have number 25 of 25 rookie reserves dual prime auto jersey of Brendan Smith. That's nice. Next hit is a game worn gear of Patrick Elias. Next is a game gear Johan Franzen. And last pack, box number 3. Is a dual game gear numbered to 300, number 88 of 300, Jonathan Bloom and Colin Wilson. Alrighty. Just make sure of something here. Been kind of floating through them kind of fast. Let me make sure I didn't miss one of them rookies. Yes, I did. Yeah. This is... He's number 47, so I believe this is the short print to his draft pick number. Number 5 of 41, Jan Save. I don't know if you can see that up in the corner there. And last box of the titanium. Crap. They're all over the place. And there we go. Pack 1, New Wave Dwight King auto. Alright. Nice one. Number 10 of 15, dual prime auto home jersey of Matt Reed. Game worn gear, Ryan McDonough. We have a Ruby Parallel, number 44 of 99, Jeff Skinner. And a Titanium Reserve Auto, Patrick Weirlock. And last pack of the break. Get it. Another autograph or yep. His redemption, a draft day autographs of Alex Pietrangelo. If you can see that. Card number 37. Alright, YouTube. Like I said, I broke 4 boxes of the rookie anthology. Go through some of the bigger hits. Rookie Treasures, number 61 of 499, Rafael Diaz. It's his jersey number. Number 412 of 499, Colin Greenling. Rookie Treasures, dual. And a Cam Atkinson, number 166 of 499, Treasures. I got a certified rookie gold game used autograph of Cameron Gounce, Colorado Avalanche, number to 25. It's number 12 of 25. I don't know if you see. I already put them in the sleeves. Rookie rivalries was Cody Eakin, Robert Bertuzzo, Simone Dupre, and Eric Gustafson. Sean Couturier, Cam Talbot, and Thomas Vincourt and Harry Strait. And draft year 2003, Mike Richards, Jeff Carter. Draft day 2005, Devin Setaguchi and Mark Erod Vlasic. Might be saying that name right. And then, well, the 4 hits, I just have them separated like this. From the extra packs they gave you, game used stick, Jaromir Jagr. Game used stick, Brandon Dubinsky. Game used stick of Jason Spezza. And then, oh, this was just in the regular pack. Pinnacle starting 6. John Moore, Jared Bowl, Rick Nash, Derek Brassard, Cam Atkinson, and Alan York. 2 limited phenoms. David Rundbald. I don't know if you can see it on there. I pulled it out of the pack. Edge was chipped. And limited phenoms, Carl Hagelin. That's numbered to 598, and the Rundball's numbered to 299. 2 autographs I got out of that. One was freshman signatures, Jimmy Haynes, not numbered, and out of the extra packs, a John Moore auto. I pulled 2 redemptions also. One was a Crown Royal Silhouette Signatures, card number 26, Henrik Sedin. I don't know if you can read that. Probably not. And the other one was a Rookie Treasures, level 3, number 146, Thomas Vincourt. So, like I said, YouTube, I will have these up on my eBay page, Steel City Sports King. At some point tonight. Also, like I said, if you want to come over and check it out, I will be breaking, not sure how many boxes I'm going to break, but I'm getting a case of Topps Inception in tomorrow. One of them is definitely sold, and I might be selling a few more. So, depending on how many more I sell, I'll definitely be cracking probably at least 3 boxes, but maybe more, just depending on how many sell. So, alright, YouTube, I'll talk to you later.